So who's heard of affirmations? Yeah? Okay, so who has a business coach? Has your business coach got you to write an affirmation? Okay. Has anyone got an American business coach? Okay, so in Mary Kay Cosmetics, I was a business coach and a motivational coach, kind of joined up, you know. The business coaches in America, that you write an affirmation, and that is all about what you want to achieve. It's all about who you are and what you see as powerful in yourself. It's bigging you up. Okay, I read my affirmation. I have written it actually. I have memorised it, but I've written it because I've altered it recently, and you have to alter it every so often so that you start to listen to it again. Otherwise, it becomes too mundane. But a lot of what I say you won't get if you're not in Mary Kay Cosmetics. But if you're a group full of, last September I was in front of 700 people, all in Mary Kay, and as soon as I said this, they were like, "Oh yeah, she's going to do that." You don't know what that is because you'll be going, "What?" It's different in different industries, but it's what you see yourself as. So I've added to mine, and yesterday I read this over and over about 5 times, and I felt so much better. And you read it out loud, and if you read it to other people, it's more powerful. And even if you find, in fact, especially if you find it cringy, believe me, that is, push your comfort zone, because if you don't push your comfort zone, you're never going to grow, you're never going to get any stronger. Okay, so mine. I am the excited, enthusiastic, forward-thinking, positive, motivational, future senior sales director with a Diamond Debutantes unit. We're on the fast track to our 4th pink Mercedes. The sky's the limit. I believe in our future. We're speeding to the top with red jackets and diamonds and cars and trips, with DIQs and directors and seniors following on. Here I come as a successful woman with a passion and a mission and a vision. I'm a motivational mindset mover, inspiring others around me as I believe and I achieve. Here I come in my mind and my spirit and my heart and my soul. I am a future national sales director with the Diamond area. I'm Bella O'Hara. If it has to be, it's up to me. You don't need to clap. The point is, I like it. It works for me. It may not work for you, but you've got to try it because you don't know till you try it. So how do we work on that? Well, all you need to do, first of all, you write down, I am good enough. Just write that down. I am good enough, okay? Because you've got to start somewhere. I am good enough. And if you're having a really rough day and you start saying things that are good about you to yourself, doesn't matter, you will start to believe them. Because what's going on up here is led by you. It's not led by other people. You might think it's led by other people, it's not, only if you let them. So you need to believe your own hype. So write one thing down that you know is really powerful about you, a word that really sums you up. Just a word that you can say, that's me, I'm that, that's me. It basically is a list of adjectives that you can describe yourself as. I am the excited, I have ability, I have determination, I have focus, I can, I will, I must. Things like that. These things will lift you. It's what inspires you, what makes you want to get to the next level. What do you want? What is your determination and focus, and what is it that you're after?